The 40cc kids 4-stroke dirt bike for sale from saferwholesale.com. It's got disc brakes in the front. You've got nice little rugged tires there. You also have disc brakes in the rear with the rear mono shock. Your gas tank right here. Very easy to unscrew, fill it up with gas. Right there, you've got your brake right here on your left and your right hand side. To simply start it, you're going to simply pull right here. It's a pull start. Very, very easy to start, easy to ride, easy to drive. Take it for a ride here. Now we can ship these nationwide right to your front door. Again, the 40cc dirt bike for sale from saferwholesale.com. Again, easy to ride, easy to drive, and it is a 4-stroke motor, so there is no mixing of the gas and oil. And we can ship these nationwide right to your front door. Call us today, saferwholesale.com, 866-606-3991. And we have these in a few different colors. You can order yours today. And again, we can ship them nationwide, saferwholesale.com. 866-606-3991. Great little toy for the kids. Saferwholesale.com. 866-606-3991. Saferwholesale.com.